Friendship is a single soul dwelling in two bodies. The more you know, the more you realize you don't know. It is the mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without accepting it. Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. The more you are able to love, the richer you are. It is the nature of desire not to be satisfied, and most men live only for the gratification of it. The whole is more than the sum of its parts. The high-minded man must care more for the truth than for what people think. The greatest virtues are those which are most useful to other persons. Pleasure in the job puts perfection in the work. It is not enough to win a war, it is more important to organize the peace. Quality is not an act, it is a habit. The worst form of inequality is to try to make unequal things equal. To avoid criticism, say nothing, do nothing, be nothing. The educated differ from the uneducated, as much as the living from the dead. He who is to be a good ruler must have first been ruled. Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. Man is by nature a political animal. Man is a goal-seeking animal. His life only has meaning if he is reaching out and striving for his goals.